Hello, my name is Sherman Crancer, Senior Partner Development Manager for Microsoft. And in studio we have Hannah Rachel Smith from a great company called Tangent. So Hannah, we understand that government has a lot of rules and red tape. How does your company address those things and help your customers?
Thanks, Sherman. So one of the things that Tangent does well, and we do this well because we've been in government for such a long time, is that we really understand the pain points. So we're able to come in and understand your budget constraints and your time constraints, and we're able to both be patient, but in a crunch, come in and help governments get projects done. So we see a lot of governments who can't move for 8, 9, maybe 12 months even, but then within 3 hours, they need all of the quotes all of a sudden. So I think that being flexible and being adaptable is really where we shine with governments.
Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.